Good day everyone, welcome to another episode of Unboxing RC Vehicle Scale Model. And today's model is 1972 Chevy Suburban 110 scale, ready to run. Apparently is waterproof with LED lights, I suppose. Look at that. Very nice chrome grille in the bumper. I can see the turning lights there, so I expect there's also a turning light. It comes with a battery, of course officially licensed by Chevrolet. Alright guys, let's see this, get this out of the box. I'm so excited to see this one. I suppose let's get a seal here. Check that. I'm very particular with the seal when I buy RC car, so you can see the seal is still intact. This is 1972 model, sorry guys, 1972 model of Chevy Suburban Ascender RTR. I thought there was some information there, but actually it's just some other languages. All right guys, let's cut the seal. This is the proof that this box hasn't been opened. Another seal here, you can see. Let's cut that one. Okay, this is four-wheel drive guys. See they take the path less traveled. Officially licensed by General Motors. Alright, let's see. Let's put this one on the background to make it nicer. Did you see my face guys? No. Wow, I can see that very nice color there. Firstly guys, ta-da! There's a small box here, which I suppose contains the transmitter. Okay, nice box for the transmitter. It's very untouched box. Here is the transmitter. Here is the transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz digital radio system. ECX. I don't know what's this ECX. What's this? Who made this truck? Who made this truck? Horizon Hobby. Right, this one looks familiar. ECX. Here it is guys, some necessary features for a radio transmitter. It's got the throttle knob, steering knob. We've got the dual rates there. Steering, throttle trim, throttle steering trim, and of course the power switch there. And I suppose this one takes 4 AA batteries. You can see there. Oi. Oh my goodness! Don't be rough. I'm too excited to see the car. All right guys, I'll put this aside. Right, let's go back to this box. Oh, nicely wrapped, as I expect for a brand new car. I expect it to be strapped in a cardboard, so I can see it's really brand new. Nice owner's guide guys, owner's manual, nicely packed. Let's get some decals there. Let me open this one. I like the way they pack this owner's manual. So got a car there, the picture of the car, all the informations regarding this car, and some Vaterra stickers there. I need to some Vaterra stickers there. Look at that. Okay, and this box. Okay, now the car. All right, as I've said, I always want to expect my brand new car to be tied. Is it tied? Yes, it is tied. Look and see. You can see it is tied. Oh, I got the other one. It's not tied, so I was a bit disappointed. Cut the tie now, okay? So we're gonna cut the tie now. Let's cut the tie. Only one. Oh. All right, guys, here it is. Oh, before that one, guys, I think something's in this box. I don't know what this one is. Ta-dang! Oh, how generous of them to put 4 AA battery. Some accessories here which I don't know. Oh, very nice hex wrench, Allen wrench, a set of Allen wrench, which is good. This is a set, and metal hex wrench. Good, Vaterra, right, Horizon Heavy. All right, here is it. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Custom Deluxe 2.0. Supposed to, is it 2.0 liter? The 1972. Can't be. If it's 2.0, maybe 8-cylinder as well. So small cylinder, but multi-cylinder. 10-cylinder, maybe 8-cylinder, even if it's 2.0. Look at this, guys. Oh man, I love this looks. Look at the looks, man. Look at the Chevy badge there. Oh man. Oh boy. It's glittering, this chrome, guys. Typical of that era's models, guys. Chrome. Look at the differentials there. It's also chrome. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, let's get this tie here. Oh man. It looks like sitting high on the chassis. Long body, the Suburban body. Oh, I like this color, guys. It looks like a forest frog. It looks very shiny green, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh man. Look at that bumper, guys. Chrome again. I just need a little bit more decals there. The Chevy badge. Oh wow. I like it, guys. And it's also not very expensive model, guys. I'm glad they put it on sale. Oh man, this is very affordable. I like it. Not very cheap though. Not very expensive as well. Why would we buy something that's very too overly expensive? It's a bit hard. Tire, I suppose there's foam inside, but it's a bit feels grippy anyway. Okay, that's what I expect. They cover it properly, which is good for a brand new car. So let's take a look inside. Let's take this one properly. I don't want scratches on my car. I don't want scratches on my car, so let's take this one. Oh, this one is connected. Oh, because there are lights. Ooh, I like it. There's some lights. Let me disconnect this one first. Okay, now disconnected. I put this one on the top, like that. Oh, look at that, guys. I like the body, guys. I like the chassis, guys. Okay, 35 turn motor. Size 540. It's got transmission here. It's got a battery. Crossing the ladder type chassis. Front mounted servo. Get the ESC on the rear and the receiver. Alright, I like this chassis, guys. Suspension is very nice. Suspension is very nice, guys. Okay, I like it. Okay, let's get you can see the spline there inside the propeller shaft. Okay, so it looks very symmetrical. Okay, guys, I'm satisfied with this buy. Let's get an EC, what's this? EC60, EC30. Okay, one thing I like about that model, guys, is I don't have to buy an LED light. It already pre-installed for me, guys, and for you out there who's gonna buy and or already have bought this model, guys, look, very high profile Chevy Suburban, guys. Oh, I need a cowboy hat for this one. I need to go to my ranch afterwards. I need a cowboy hat. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I like this model. Chevy Suburban, guys. What do they put here? Alright, I like that grill, guys. Look at that grill. Oh my goodness. Good job, Vaterra. But it could have been much better, Vaterra, if you put that side mirror here, because I don't know what kind of side mirror this one is carrying. So it would have been perfect, Vaterra, if you put the side mirror here on either side, and this one will be perfect. But anyway, well, I really don't know what side mirror I put on this one, but just by itself, I'm already happy with this model, guys. Look at that. I'm very happy with this model, guys. Yeah, very happy with this model. Okay, nice package, Vaterra. What is the name of this chassis? Oh, they call it Chevrolet 1972 Chevy Suburban, officially licensed. Alright, guys. Alright, there we have it, guys. The 1/10 scale crawler 1972 model of Chevy Suburban. This is officially licensed. I like this models. If it's officially licensed, then I'll be very proud to drive licensed models, guys. Alright, Alright, look at the grill. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and watch out for the running video of this Chevy Suburban. Okay, until next time, let's keep playing RC. Cheers.